In this video, we see how Silverfort Unified Identity Protection Platform extends the power of MFA across enterprise resources that could never have been protected in this manner before. MFA is the ultimate solution against attacks that utilize compromised credentials to access enterprise resources. However, until now, MFA protection did not apply to many critical resources in your enterprise, leaving them vulnerable to such attacks. PSExec, part of Windows sysinternals package, is a common remote access tool. We type the command with the remote machine's name and are required to provide a password. Until today, this password was the only security measure for this access interface, which in practice means that any attacker that has obtained compromised credentials could use them for malicious access. However, with Silverfort, MFA is triggered, and access to the remote machine is granted only after the verification of the actual user. Let's repeat this process with another very common remote connection tool, PowerShell Enter PS Session. Similar to what we've seen before, providing the credentials is not enough, and MFA verification is required. Shared folders contain sensitive data, and accessing them must be protected. Here again, Silverfort Access Policy prevents me from accessing based on credentials alone, and further MFA verification is required. This protection is extremely effective against automated ransomware attacks that utilize shared folders to propagate in the network. The MFA requirement eliminates this threat altogether. Due to Silverfort's architecture, no agents are required, meaning that this protection is seamlessly applied to 100% of your servers and workstations. Silverfort MFA applies to all types of user access across your other resources. Remote VPN connection to the enterprise intranet that has become the common standard in the COVID-19 work from home. Remote connection over RDP to physical or virtual machines, another common access vector your workforce uses, and of course, access to your SaaS applications. These were a few examples to demonstrate the power of Silverfort Unified Identity Protection Platform. Extending MFA across your entire enterprise resources is a key factor in increasing your resilience to identity-based cyber attacks. Want to learn more? Schedule a meeting with one of our experts.